So, good morning, students. So, let us see some of the exercise problems which is given in the textbooks. So, here the lens and the front view, top view, and the left-hand side view of an object is given. So, according to this three views, we have to transform the two-dimensional picture to the three-dimensional picture. So let us see what is the height of an object and what is the length of an object and what is the breadth of an object. So as this is in the orthographic projection, we will have only two dimensions, and these two dimensions is going to be converted for three dimensions. So now find out, this is the front view and this is the top view. So in top view, you can find out the length and you can find out the breadth. And in the side view, you can see the breadth and you can see the height. So clearly it is mentioned that the length of an object is 60, that is 20, 20, 20, combination it is 60, and breadth of an object is 30 plus 20, that is 50, here it is clearly seen, and height of an object is 20 plus 20 plus 20, that is 60, right? So now we know that the height of an object is 60, breadth of an object is 50, and length of an object is 60. So now let us start the construction procedure. Right. So now draw a line, and this, let us take, this is the length of an object, this side, right side, this is 30 degrees, and left hand side, this is 30 degrees. Okay, this is the baseline, that is a reference line XY. So take 30 degrees, draw a line, take 30 degrees, draw a left hand side line. I'll take right hand side as a length, so length is 60 mm. Okay, and breadth is 50 mm, breadth on the left hand side 50 mm, and height, that is first one, this is 20 mm height. So here so this is the point where I'm starting it exactly at this particular point. So the height of this one is 20, so I have drawn a 20 line. And what about the length here? This is about 20, so once again I will draw a 20 towards length, because I'm considering the right side as a length. And what about the height here? Once again 20, so I will draw once again 20. Okay, once again 20, length 20, once again height 20, once again length 20. So now I have reached this particular point. So from this point I will drop down to the base and I will connect to the point O. So here from this point to here I will draw a line, and next I will connect this line to base. And how much distance it is extended? So this one is extended up to 30, because we can see the breadth. So the breadth, totally the breadth is around 50. Okay, and the height is 60. So now I have drawn the 60 height. And next from this particular point to 60 length, because the length here, now I reached this particular point. Okay, so this point is nothing but this point. Now I have to draw this line of 60 mm. So now I will draw a line 60, and finally I join this line to the end. And next, so now I have to complete what is this web thickness. So here the web thickness is around 20 mm. So now I'll draw a line of 20. So now this short line 20 is nothing but this one. Okay, so from this point to this point, now I will join from this point to this point. Okay, so now I will draw how much is the length. This is 40 mm. So parallel to this axis line, I'll draw a 40 mm line right side and to the downwards also. Okay, next simply I will join. Okay, next simply I will extend it. I will extend this line, all these lines, right? From this point I will join this point. Okay, then next, this is height, this is length, this is height, this is length. So simply I will join all these points so that the picture is an isometric view or isometric. Then this is the length you have to mention, and this is the height, and this is the breadth. So the combination of all this looks like a steps. Okay, so this is how to construct and how to view the dimensions in the front view, top view, and side view, right? So next, coming to the next picture, So here you can see uh, front view and side view of an object are given and draw the isometric view. So here you can see the front view of an object and here you can see the side view of an object. That means you are seeing from this side. So left hand side, this side. Okay. So now you don't know that whether this one is a cylinder or a square. But when you are watching from the left hand side view, you can see that it is a square of 30 mm. Okay, and here you can see there is a hole. So because of this dotted line, you can know that, you can notice that there is an invisible part inside it, such that, so you can see in the side view. So how to construct this one? So first of all, you have to construct the base of an object and this height of an object. Then next you have to make it the projection. So let us see how to construct this one. Just a little bit I am going fast, but please manage your timing according to the settings, and you please follow this one. Okay, so first you make the baseline and the length of an object and the breadth of an object. What is the length of an object? So here it is clearly mentioned that this is the length of an object here. Okay, so this is the length of an object and this is the height of an object. The total height is given as 70, the breadth is given as 60. Okay, so now I'll take the height. The total height of an object is 20 mm here. Okay, I'll draw the base. Okay, then next, what is the length here? So 40, and next this point is O. So I am starting here. This is 20 height. I have one here, and next I will draw a 50 mm line up. Okay, 50 mm up. This one I have reached this point, and I'll go 20 mm here. This one, and from this point I will reach this particular bottom. That is total one, and I will complete this one. Okay, then next from this point to this line. So this is the line, and next I will draw this line and I will extend this one and I will extend this one and I will complete this lining. Okay, after that there is a square which is attached to the vertical plate. There is a square rod or any item or any geometrical shape which is attached to this vertical base. So now I will form a square centrally onto this one, on this 50 mm plate. Okay, so now I will construct a square by taking equal sides, which is that is 30 mm. Already this is 50 mm, right? Okay, this is 60. So I will take 30 mm means this side 15, this side 15. I will left it out. First of all, I will make the center points. Then next, I will extend. What is this length? The length is around 40. So I will extend all these points by 40 mm and I will close it. Okay, I have not extended this point because it is invisible. Okay, after that, what is invisible? This particular point is invisible. This line is also invisible. And after that, this line is invisible. This line is invisible. And this line is invisible. Now erase all the lines which are invisible. Okay, so now you can look that a square block is attached to the frame. And next, what is the left thing in this one? So we have to create a particular hole inside this base plate, inside the base plate. So what is the height? So the base plate hole is thickness of 30 mm. So here I will take 30 mm, right? So gap, that means out of total 60, this 30 is gone, so that 15 and 15 is left out. So from this 15, I will take 15 mm. And what is the height here? So the height is given as 10 mm. The whole height is given as 10 mm in this picture. So now I'll draw the 10 mm height. And next, what is the length? So here the breadth is 30 mm. So I will draw a 30 mm line here. And next I will conclude it. So I will draw a internal line that it is visible when you are looking from the isometric view, and I will connect these two lines and I will connect this line also. So now this is the complete pictorial form, that is a 3D pictorial which comes out of these two views, that is front view and side view of an object. Okay, next coming to this another question. I'm going little bit fast, but please join with me such that I can go for more number of problems, right? So front view and top view of an object is given, and you have to draw the isometric view where you can see by seeing the front view and the top view. So here I can see by seeing the front view and top view, what you can identify is there is a base plate. Okay, this is a base plate, and top view this is the shape, and there is one cylinder, because in the top view I can see a circle. So here is a cylinder, and there is a web, so of thickness of 10. Web means a supporting for the base plate and the cylinder, right? So now we have to construct the base plate, then next you have to place the cylinder, and next you have to construct the web joining to the base plate as well as a cylinder. So now let us see the construction of the base plate. So now draw a line. Okay, and whatever the height is there, the height is 10 mm. I have drawn at mm. What is the length? The length is 80. So this point is O. So here I have taken this O as a center, and whatever the length is there, I'll take 80 mm, and I'll take 80 mm, construct the base plate. Breadth is 50 mm. So you can see the breadth in the top view. So that is 50 mm. I will extend it. I'll complete the base plate here. Okay. After completing the base plate, where is the location of this particular cylinder? So the location, the midpoint of the cylinder is 45 mm. You can see in the front view, that is 45 mm from the edge. So I'll take 45 mm here, and I will take the midpoint of this breadth. So the midpoint of the breadth is 25. So 25, and this one is 45. So now I'll draw a square here. So to construct a circle, first of all I have to make a square. Okay, so now you know the procedure of the circle. So I will extend it. What is the height of this one? So height of this one is 40. So after constructing a square here, I will extend it for 40, and once again I will draw a square on the top, and you know how to construct the rhombus method. In the previous videos, you will have the construction procedure of a circle by rhombus method. You can uh, verify that, so that the circle is completed, and the height is going, the edges extreme points, that is going to be joined. Okay, so this one, and next finally you have to construct a web starting from the base here to the top point in the middle point. So now I'll simply join these two lines, okay, by taking the midpoint. So this is a midpoint here, and 5 right hand side, and 5 bottom, and 5 top. So this will take the midpoint, and I will take 5 mm this side and 5 mm right hand side, and simply I will connect it to the top of this one, and next I will join this line and this line, so that whatever the lines which are invisible, simply I will erase it, such that okay, you can view the clear picture of a base plate having a cylinder which is attached with the web which is supporting the cylinder and the base. So this is a construction procedure of a isometric view, which where a front view and top view are given. These are the some of the problems which are given in the textbooks. So these are the solutions. Thank you very much, and for the another solutions, I will be giving more solutions at my best level. Thank you very much.